Assalamu alaikum dear students. Myself Dr. Zahid Nazir. Today we will discuss about few most important MCQs from entry test as well as board examination point of view. Today our topic is ATP cycle, photosynthesis, light and dark reaction. Our first MCQs is Calvin cycle, also termed as according to characteristics feature process. Dark reaction, number 1, 2 C3 cycle, 3 photosynthesis phase, biosynthesis phases, R phase, then light independent reaction. Option A 1 only, option B 1 and 2 only, option C 3 and 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So our answer should be D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. This is the correct answer, because Calvin cycle also called dark reaction, C3 cycle, biosynthesis phase or light independent reaction. So answer should be D. Question number 2, Calvin-Benson's Besham cycle first studied the biosynthesis dark reaction in which one of the following photosynthetic living beings? These three scientists first studied the process of dark reaction in which one of the following photosynthetic living beings. So option A plants, option B algae, option C bacteria, option D Chlamydomonas. These three scientists first studied dark reaction process in alga, or we can say that in algae. So answer should be B. Question number 3, during the process of light reaction of photosynthesis, simulatory products are formed as option A ATP, option B NADPH plus H, option C FADH2, option D both A and B. So answer should be both A and B, because these ATP as well as NADPH plus H, these both simulatory products are formed during a light reaction. Question number 4, the process of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. 1 occurs in the membrane of thylakoids, 2 photosystem 1 and 2 both used, 3 starts from PS to P680, 4 ATP and NADPH plus H plus simulatory pairs are formed. Option A 1 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, option D none of these. So the answer should be the C. Answer should be the C, because all 4 options are correct. Question number 5 is dark reaction, also named as C3 cycle, because which one of the following 3 carbon compound is formed in first reaction. So option A RuBP, option B PgAl, option C PGA, or we can say that G3P, and option D glucose. So first product, 3 carbon product of Calvin cycle will be PGA or G3P. So answer should be the C is the correct answer. Now question number 6. Cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in which type of lamella of chloroplast during light reaction? Option A stroma lamella, option B the granum lamella, option C both A B, option D none of these. Cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in the stroma lamella or lamellae. So answer should be A. Question number 7. In the living system, during endergonic reaction process, 1. ATP used, 2. Synthesis of biomolecules occur, 3. Active transport, 4. Anaerobic respiration. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1, 2, 3 only, option D 4 only. So answer should be the C 1, 2 and 3 only. All these 3 processes occurs except anaerobic respiration. Question number 8. While in the living system, ATP changes to ADP, how much amount of energy is released? Option A 31.81 kilojoule per mole, option B 3.7 kilocalorie per mole, option C 9.3 kilocalorie per mole, option D both A and B. So answer should be both A and B, because these both are equivalent to each other. So answer should be the D. Question number 8. Oxygen O2 is liberated by the plants during photosynthesis as byproduct is produced by option A photolysis of water, option B CO2 metabolism, option C acid metabolism, option D by anaerobic respiration. So released oxygen is produced by the photolysis of water. Answer should be A. Now question number 10. All are true regarding cyclic photophosphorylation except option A photolysis of water does not occurs, NADPH plus H plus not formed, C photosystem 2 is used, D simulatory power ATP. So all are true about cyclic photophosphorylation except option C photosystem 2 is used, because we will take option except. So photosystem 2 will not use during cyclic photophosphorylation. Photosystem 1 is used. So option should be the C. These are few MCQs regarding this topic. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box. Inshallah, I will reply. Thanks.